my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do a product review. VEVOR sent me this heat press machine. Guys, it's this time of the year. I always love to make t-shirts for my family so we can have Christmas pictures, Thanksgiving t-shirts, so we can all wear together as a family memory for me and my family. Guys, is the best way if you are somebody that on a budget, you don't want to spend too much money, or you like to make your thing by yourself. This video might be very helpful to you. This machine, guys, is a 5-in-1 multi-function heat press machine with multiple attachment, as you can see. And guys, the quality of the material is very nice, and the color is very nice. Guys, I really love the fact they come with so many beautiful colors, and the installation is super easy and is easy to follow. Because with this heat press machine, you can make tumblers, you can make hats, you can make t-shirts. But me, I love to do my pillow covers because it personalizes my home and make everything another level. And my kids love to wear shirts going to school, and where they have the thing, and people always ask them, where do you get this from? So they just like me. Okay, guys, inside the box, as you can see, there's a power cord, and I already removed the piece. You can make the hat and the tumblers. In this video, guys, I'm not going to make any hat or tumblers, but I'm going to show you how I make my t-shirt for my sons and how I make pillows for my home. And guys, as I mentioned in the title, is a home refresh, where I'm refreshing my living room because I love decorate my living room. As you can see, guys, all the parts that come with the machine, and they are super easy to use. So everything is well, as you can follow the direction in the manual instruction. That's very good. And guys, the quality of the material is very nice. Is it good to have, guys, if you want a budget for a good heat press machine? Okay, guys, I'm done with the installation, so I'm going to make some pillow covers and some t-shirts. I got those from Amazon, guys. I can create my own design, but however, I saw those ones. They were very cute and they were on sale, so I said, why not? And I bought them, and they are super cute for fall. As I mentioned before, guys, I'm not going to make any tumblers in this video. However, guys, this machine, you can make a tons of things with it. It's a 5-in-1. You can make t-shirt, pillow bags, you can make tumblers, 30 ounces, 6 to 30 ounces, tumbler glasses, can, mugs. It's super nice, guys. You can make hats, you can make plates, 8 inches, 10 inches, guys, name it. It's super nice to have. If you're someone like me that love to personalize your things, this one can be a very good option. And guys, as you can see, I'm starting to making my pillow, and guys, it's super nice to decorate my home in this way. I really love how my home turns out. And guys, as you can see, it's super nice to have. Once you heat it up, you just put the minute, because each project will depend on the material that you're using. So it's super fast for me to do it, less than 5 minutes. And guys, it's super nice to do. So guys, it's the way you can change your home. So I'm unique in my style, so my home for now have this decor, so you can choose whatever you prefer, so to make your home or to make your clothing, your mugs, your bags look different. So very nice, guys. The power switch on and off, very easy to use, guys. So the link will be in the description box down below. If you're looking for something like that, make sure to check them out. I needed 2 pillows for my sofa, guys. This one is super cute, and I'm going to use this decal to make another pillow for my sofa, guys. And guys, as I mentioned, it's super easy to use, and is the best way. Again, if you want to market for heat press, this can be a good option. Not only the color is pretty, it's a slide out design, easier to place shirt and prevent burn. You can slide out the drawer, 360 degrees swing away design, guys. Very nice to have, and it protects you from burn, even distribution, faster heating, and more durable, guys. As you can see, my pillow is super nice, super nice. I like it. And even I use a velvet pillowcase, guys, I still come out with this beautiful design. Okay guys, let's move on to the t-shirt because my son want some t-shirts for fall, so I was so fortunate to be able to make the t-shirt for my son. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know, guys. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do product review like this video today. I do home decor, DIY, clean with me. And if you are not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Okay guys, moving on to the next t-shirt, and I picked up this design because it's nice as well. So he like wearing his shirt. Not only they won't have the animes and other thing, and guys, they tend to be super expensive online, but once you be able to make your own thing, it's a game changer. Because I only bought the decal for like $6 on Amazon. Like I said, they were on sale, and I was able to make this nice t-shirts for him and make my pillows, and then I can create my own design, but those were on sale, so I just go with it. But guys, as you can see, I can make a tons of project with this machine, guys. And moving on to the next box, guys, VEVOR sent me again a pottery wheel for kids. It's for beginners, guys. If you have small children like me and you want to give them a gift, Black Friday is around the corner, so it's the best way you can buy something like that, put it under your tree for your kids for Christmas. You can use it in the workshop, you can use it in pottery class, family DIY. And guys, the design is very nice. It's not too bulky, and it has a silver with two knobs, make it very nice, guys. As you can see, the apron, it has all the tools that you need to start your pottery journey, guys. And as you can see inside the box, everything that I mentioned, all the tools that you need for your kiddos, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just buy it, put it under the tree for Christmas or any other occasion, guys. Me, I always gift my kids whenever they're doing something great, just to help them to do more so they can have more great things. This pottery machine, guys, is comfortable and easy to operate, and the pottery turbines support two ways adjustment and speed adjustment from 0 to 320 rpm, make it easier to operate even for novices. Noise output is less than 55 dB, provide a quiet, comfortable creativity environment, allow you to fully release your creativity. Guys, as you can see, the plug is long enough for you to plug it at a certain distance, and guys, you can make all different creativity, all different vase, guys. It's so nice to have. If you're on the market for a great pottery machine for your kiddos, this one can be a good option. Help them create and develop artistic awareness, hands-on skill that can help them in the future. You never know, because they can create some beautiful things. The link will be in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out. Okay guys, this is the way my living room turns out. As you can see, I really love the way my old pillows turns out. Guys, they're not new pillows. I got those pillows for about 3 years now. I was able to change them, make them like new. And guys, if you're looking for a good heat press machine, or you're looking for a pottery machine for your kiddos, make sure to check the box down below.
Second and the third, then the rest of
Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.